Hi, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how's it going?
It's good.
Are you okay?
No, I'm great. I'm great.
You gotta shut the door.
Sorry.
You just, I've never had somebody enter my car like that.
Let's go.
Are you good?
Time.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm great.
All right, you gotta sit up at least though,
I'm great. Okay.
for safety, you know.
How's your day going?
It's fine. Are you? you got a little to drink or what?
Yeah, just a little. Woo.
Are you good?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm fine. I mean, I'm just, driving Uber.
Sounds like a great life.
You hit that Sunday mimosas or what?
Oh yeah, brunch.
It's
Went down like a charm.
It's like 1 p.m. Like,
oh, look at that dog. So cute.
That's not a dog. That's that was a cat.
Hey, can you play some Taylor Swift?
What?
Play some T Swift.
I'm okay. I don't really like that kind of music.
No? Why not? She's my jam.
Like your lady jam?
Yeah.
No, you can listen when you get home though. I don't really like listening to music when I drive.
Party pooper.
What?
You're a party pooper.
Can you put your seatbelt on, please?
No.
Okay,
you're just lay down right
No, it's not.
Do you have any water?
No.
No?
No, I don't. Sorry. I'm not like that kind of Uber. But maybe you could get one like when you get home. Just drink some water when you get back though, before you like go to bed or whatever.
I'm parched. I could use another drink too.
Hey, be careful, please. Can you please be careful?
That was fun. It's a roller coaster. What are you talking about? No hands.
You need to put your seatbelt on, please.
No. Don't tell me what to do.
You're not gonna throw up in here, right?
No.
Okay, good, because these are new seat. Like, I just got my car cleaned, so. Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm great.
Okay.
I'm great.
Just sit up and put your seatbelt on or something.
I'm just gonna take a nap right here.
No.
Yeah.
No, please don't fall asleep, because it's kind of a safety thing if you're like asleep.
Well, just wake me up when we're there.
I'd really appreciate if you just put your seatbelt on, because if we get pulled over or something, like, it's not gonna look good at all.
It'll be fine. I'll talk my way out of it.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm great.
Yeah.
I'm great.
So what do you do for work?
Just living life.
You don't have a job, do you?
Just living life to the fullest.
You don't have a job, huh?
We just got brunch. What are you talking about?
I mean, like, what do you do in life? Like, what do you do for fun?
I'm just living.
Like, what are your goals and what's your 5-year plan?
That's no fun to talk about.
Huh?
That's no fun. So
You just
serious.
do brunch and that's kind of all you do, or what?
Yeah, brunch is life.
Brunch is life?
Brunch is...
I feel like that should be on a t-shirt.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
I should trademark that.
No, that's my idea. Don't steal that.
No, I said it first.
But I thought it was a good idea.
No.
You wouldn't have thought... Okay, can you please put on your seatbelt, please? Because...
No.
It's like...
It's more fun this way.
No, well, we're not... This is Uber, so... This is like my job, so you wouldn't do this in like a bank.
Yeah, I would. Banks can be fun.
Banks
got money. Money's fun.
Okay, alright.
Gotta get that money, honey.
You know what? You're kind of like, you're not following the rules and you're not wearing your seatbelt, so I'm gonna have to like kick you out.
What are you talking about? I'm like the best customer.
You can maybe
ever.
order like a new ride or something though.
No.
Yeah, maybe there's a different Uber you can take.
Don't do that.
Yeah,
I thought we were friends.
No, I just barely met you. We're not friends at all, and you've been really rude. You didn't even wear your seatbelt, so.
Oh, snapped.
And you jumped in my car. Like, I have to check if my seats are damaged.
Snap time.
You did just shush me?
It's nap time.
Okay, you need to get out. We're not doing this anymore. Are you snoring in here? Are you literally snoring? I did not sign up for this. Are you serious? You're snoring.
What? Are we here yet? Are we there yet?
No. We pulled over because I'm kicking you out and you fell asleep in my car.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you're asleep and I'm trying to wake you up.
Can you take me home?
Fine.
Thank you.